This, in English, this is durian candy. And I think this is in lemon flavor.
Oh, wait.
Pineapple. Ooh.
That's not pineapple. That's spike fruit.
No, not durian. That's that nasty, smelly thing that they do.
What? Where?
It's the one that smells like garbage and people like vomit while they're opening it.
Really?
Yes. This is the one. It's the drinks they all.
The actual
say
fruit
that.
itself? Is
Yes.
so bad?
Yes.
Mommy! It tastes like cough syrup. No, it stinks so badly. Oh my gosh.
Cough syrup.
No, it doesn't even taste like cough syrup. It actually smells like butt. Did you just say it smells like butt crack? How do you know what butt crack smells like? Oh my god, that stinks so bad.
It smells like dirty toilet water. Ew.
That kind of smells like rust.
Ew. Ew.
RT, stop, please.
Ew. Fine.
I don't have a good feeling about this either.
They've done it on BuzzFeed and everyone's like getting sick.
Okay, smell it.
I don't want to smell it.
Smell it.
It's gross.
Okay. 1, 2.
Why would you make a candy out of this?
3.
Oh. No thanks.
I don't put the whole thing in my mouth. Oh. 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 Oh, that's,
Rotten egg.
oh my goodness. That's horrible. I barely even tasted it. Gross.
No?
It tastes like dirty toilet water.
No, it tastes like fart. Did you try this? We're running out of liquid. It's the last thing.
I want to know if people actually eat that candy. Or if it's just like a joke that you send out people, you know. It's like, yeah.
April
Did anybody like that? No!